My name's Drogo. I'm the founder of Fine Food Specialist. Today I want to show you how to cook some of these amazing ingredients that we sell on the website. Okay, so this dish I'm going to cook you some Iberico pork. This is from the Iberian pig, which is a dark meat rather than the white meat, which means you can actually eat it rare. This is a very special pork. As you can see, I don't know if you can see that, but you will in a minute. It's very, very marbled. It's got the most wonderful flavour. Padron peppers, simply we're going to deep fry and then season very well. And the set or porcini mushrooms, we're going to pan fry and just serve up all together. It's going to be a really nice little dish. So we're going to start by pouring some vegetable oil or sunflower oil straight into here. We've got the heat on underneath. Get that up to kind of about 180 degrees. Set mushrooms here, porcini, probably the best mushroom there is. I'm going to cut them right through it down the middle. The Iberico pork, you can see here it's a little bit like Wagyu beef. It's got that intermuscular marbling, which one makes it really soft in texture, but two gives it the most amazing flavour. So we'll get that seasoned up. All this lovely fat actually will render down, but it will also be crusty chop, and it's just full of flavour. This one we'll do with olive oil. I don't know the exact temperature. You should be aiming at 180, 190, 200 degrees. You'll see it'll start to spit, and as the water comes out, it starts to get bubbly and jumpy. The skins will start to blister up, and they'll start to get some colour on them. So I'm going to now, at that stage, just turn the heat down a little bit. Hot oil doesn't just get cold, it just gradually gets cold. It keeps its heat. So I think it's important to keep moving these, keep turning them on all sides. You can see there that it starts to blister up and starts cooking. We've got heat in here. We're going to put this pork chop in there. It's got a nice brown there straight away. So what we're aiming to do with this is get a nice golden colour all over, especially the fat. We want to render that fat down because that fat is amazing. See the actual colour of those starting to go brown now. It's just maintaining, the oil's maintaining its heat. But I mean, you can't really go too far wrong. You know, you don't want them too hot. I think that's the main thing to watch out for. What you'll also need to do is get a paper towel ready, drain that oil off. I'd say they're ready. Okay, bring them straight out. You can see the colour on there. We've got a nice colour on there now on both sides. We're just going to render that fat down on there. Get it nice and crispy. So whilst we're doing that, we're going to get our mushrooms in the pan. There's a bit of heat going on in there. Again, because those mushrooms just soak up the oil straight away. Right, so I've got my mushrooms going on in there. They're going to have some colour on their sides. Now if you look here, they're going to be caramelised, which is what we want. They look elegant. I'm going to put some shallots in at this stage. Which will go all caramelised and just add another dimension. When they're all done, those mushrooms are beautiful, plump, soft. Now those are pretty much ready. Going to need some seasoning on them, but they're all nice and soft. You might start plating the plate. Now it's a very typical Spanish dish. You've got the Iberico pork, which is 100% Spanish, Padron peppers, which are Spanish as well. I'm going to leave the chop whole in this case. So I'm going to plate it like such. Beautiful sets. And that is the finished piece. Iberico pork, 100% Iberico with Padron peppers and porcini mushrooms. I really hope you've enjoyed watching me cook these recipes today. All the products and recipes are available on finefoodspecialist.co.uk. Go and have a look at the website. There's plenty more there to see too.